Hi, this is Shushan from MeasureSquare. Our software has gone through several updates concerning the reports section. If I click on reports, I will now see a condensed version of the reports. If I would like to go back to the full version, I can click on settings, system settings, scroll down, and turn off hide worksheet and print report. I'll click done. If I click on reports, I'll see the full version. The print templates option is now renamed to print. Our Forms option has also gone through several updates. If I click on Forms, I'll see a lot of the options at the bottom. I can add a new item from here, round up quantities, merge, edit, add this form to a forms list, add a signature, and preview from here. If I scroll down, I can add a currency. You might notice that the profit margin and freight options are not here. If you would like to get to them, you'll click on the gear icon, scroll down, there's my profit margin, and there's my freight. Now let's go back and preview. If I click on the gear icon, I can modify some settings, and if I click on the upload icon, I can mail it from here, print it, or create a PDF.